NotebookLM just dropped 3 insane mobile features. Nobody's talking about it yet. You can now create full videos, slide decks, and social media graphics from your phone. No editing, no design skills, just your research and one app. This is going to change how you create content in 2026. And listen, NotebookLM just rolled out 3 mobile features that nobody noticed, but they're massive. I'm talking about creating full narrated videos from your notes, building presentation slides on your phone, and designing platform-ready infographics without touching Canva, all from the same app, all from research you already have. So if you've been thinking NotebookLM is just for podcasts and summaries, you're already behind, because this update turns it into a full content production system, and it runs on your phone. Let me show you what just changed. Here's the problem most people have. You do research in one place, you make slides in another tool, you edit videos somewhere else, you design graphics in Canva or Photoshop. Every step takes time, every tool has a learning curve, and if you're not a designer or video editor, you're stuck hiring people or spending hours on YouTube tutorials. That's friction. That's why most people don't scale content. It's not because they don't have ideas, it's because turning those ideas into finished content takes too long. NotebookLM just removed that entire process. Now you upload your notes, you pick a format, and it builds the content for you. Video, slides, graphics, all mobile, all fast. That's the shift. Let me break down what's new. Feature 1 is AI video summaries. You feed NotebookLM your research or documents. It creates a full narrated explainer video, voiceover included, visuals included, ready to post. Feature 2 is mobile infographic creation. You tell it what platform you're posting on, you tell it what to focus on. It designs the graphic for you, Instagram, LinkedIn, email, whatever. Custom layouts based on your prompt. Feature 3 is slide deck generation, full presentations built from your research. You choose the style, short deck, detailed deck, presenter notes. It handles the structure, the flow, the design, all on your phone. No PowerPoint, no Keynote, just NotebookLM. And here's the thing, you don't need editing skills, you don't need design software, you don't even need a laptop. Everything happens in one app on mobile. That's why this matters. Let's start with video. This is the feature that caught my attention first. Here's how it works. You upload a document or paste your notes into NotebookLM. Could be a training guide, could be a process doc, could be research for a YouTube video. Then you tap the video option. NotebookLM reads through your content. It creates a script. It adds voiceover. It adds visuals and transitions, and it gives you a full explainer video. Now, think about the use cases here. You're onboarding a new team member. Instead of writing a long email, you upload your onboarding doc. NotebookLM turns it into a training video done in minutes, or you're explaining a system to clients. You've got the process written down. Turn it into a video walkthrough. Send it over. No Loom, no screen recording, no editing. Or you're creating content for the AI Profit Boardroom community. You've got notes on how to automate lead generation with AI. Drop it into NotebookLM. Get a video summary, post it in the group, value delivered. The speed here is insane. What used to take days now takes minutes, and the quality is good enough to post. That's the unlock. And one more thing, if you're creating all this content with NotebookLM, but nobody is finding it online, you've got a traffic problem. That's where SEO comes in. If you want more leads, more traffic, and better visibility, my team can help you rank higher on Google. Check the link in the comments and description to order AI SEO online, and let's handle your backlinks while you focus on growing your business. Now, let's talk about infographics. This one's huge for daily content. Here's what you can do. You open a NotebookLM on your phone. You choose which sources to pull from. Could be OneNote, could be 5 documents. Then you pick the layout format, Instagram post, LinkedIn carousel, email header. You write a custom prompt. Something like create an infographic about AI automation tools for the AI Profit Boardroom. Make it clean, simple, and focused on saving time. NotebookLM builds it, custom layout, platform ready size, designed for the format you chose. No Canva templates, no drag and drop, just a prompt and a result. Now think about how this changes your workflow. You're posting on social media every day. Instead of spending an hour designing, you spend 2 minutes writing a prompt. NotebookLM does the rest. You're sending a weekly email, you need a header graphic. Describe what you want, get the visual, drop it in. You're building a landing page for the AI Profit Boardroom. You need graphics that explain the value of AI automation. Prompt NotebookLM, get 5 options, pick the best one. The speed is the advantage, the flexibility is the power. Because you're not locked into templates, you're telling the AI exactly what you need, and it builds it custom. That's platform-ready content without a design team. This one's for anyone who presents, founders, educators, consultants, agency owners. Here's the setup. You've got research in NotebookLM, could be notes from a client project, could be a breakdown of a new AI tool, could be a training outline for your team. You tap the slide deck option. NotebookLM asks you what style you want. Detailed slides with lots of info, presenter style slides with talking points, short deck, standard deck, long deck. You pick, it builds the entire presentation, structure, flow, design, ready to present. Now imagine this. You're pitching a new service to a client. You've got all your research in NotebookLM, you're sitting in a coffee shop, you build the sales deck on your phone. 5 minutes later, you're ready to present. Or you're running a training session for the AI Profit Boardroom. You want to teach people how to use AI for content creation. You got the framework written down, turn it into slides, present it live, or you're creating a course module. You've got the lesson plan, build the slide deck, record the lesson, done. The power here is speed and access. You don't need a laptop. You don't need to be at your desk. You can build professional presentations anywhere. That's a game changer for people who move fast. Let me zoom out for a second. What NotebookLM just did is turn one input into multiple outputs. You upload your research once, then you create a video from it, you create an infographic from it, you create a slide deck from it. Same source, 3 formats. That's content multiplication, and it's all happening on mobile. This is how you scale without a team, because you're not spending hours on each piece of content, you're spending minutes, and you're using the same research to create content for different platforms. A video for YouTube, an infographic for Instagram, a slide deck for a webinar, all from the same notes. That's leverage. And that's why early adopters are going to win, because they're going to publish faster, they're going to test more ideas, they're going to iterate quicker, while everyone else is still figuring out how to edit in Premiere Pro. Here's what you do. Step 1, download the NotebookLM app or update it if you already have it. Step 2, upload one thing. Could be a doc, could be notes, could be a research file. Step 3, test one feature, create a video, build an infographic, generate a slide deck, just pick one, see what happens, then do it again. Here's my suggestion. Start with something simple, a process you explain a lot, a service you offer, a training topic for your team. Turn it into a video, see how it looks. If it's good, post it. If it's not, tweak the input and try again. The point is to start experimenting now, because the people who figure this out first are going to have a massive speed advantage. Let me be clear about something. The tools don't matter if you don't use them, but if you do use them, speed becomes your edge. Think about it. 5 hours to create a video, or 5 minutes. Which one lets you publish more? Which one lets you test more ideas? Which one lets you grow faster? Speed wins, and NotebookLM just gave you speed. So the question isn't whether this tool is good. The question is whether you're going to use it before everyone else figures it out. Because right now, most people don't even know this update exists. That's your window. Julian Goldie reads every comment, so make sure you comment below. Let me recap real quick. NotebookLM just added 3 mobile features. AI video creation from your research, custom infographics designed for any platform, full slide decks built on your phone, no editing skills, no design software, no laptop needed, everything runs on mobile, and it's fast. That's the update. Now here's what you do. Pick one feature, test it today, create one thing, a video, a graphic, a deck. Doesn't matter which one, just make something. Then comment below and tell me what you created. I want to see what you build with this. If you want to rank at number 1, get more customers and actually win with AI SEO, this is your next move. We're not talking theory or recycled tips. This is the exact system we're using right now. Real workflows, weekly live support, clear action steps you can actually follow. If you're serious about scaling with SEO and AI, join the SEO Elite Circle. That's where we break things down live, fix real problems, and help you move faster with zero guesswork. Hit the link in the description, join the SEO Elite Circle today, and I'll see you in the next one.